In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record customization for objects. We're going to walk through how to tailor a record page layout so it reflects the way your team actually works. This is especially helpful if you want to organize information into focused sections, keep key details visible, and reduce scrolling. Before you begin, make sure you have permission to edit object layouts in your account. Start by opening your account and heading to the trial guide. This is a convenient starting point that brings relevant tools together in one place. From there, click the settings icon. You'll usually find it along the top navigation. It's your doorway to all configuration options. In the settings area, look for the section called Objects. This is where you manage the building blocks of your CRM, such as contacts, companies, and deals. Open Objects to access the tools that control how records look and behave. Next, click Record Customization. This opens the layout editor for the object you're working on. Think of this editor as a canvas where you can streamline what your users see, group related information, and make your process clearer. If you are standardizing your workspace across teams, this is where consistency starts. Inside the layout editor, add a new tab by clicking the plus sign icon. Tabs are perfect for categorizing content, like moving integrations, notes, or custom properties into their own space. This keeps your primary details front and center and shifts supporting information into a dedicated area. When prompted, type a clear, descriptive name for your tab. Choose a name your team will instantly understand, like onboarding, billing, or account health. Good naming reduces confusion later and helps with adoption. Confirm the tab by clicking Done. This saves the tab to your layout so you can configure how and where it appears. If you don't click Done, your new tab won't be added, so double check that it's visible along the tab row before moving on. To finish, open the settings within the layout editor. Here, enable the left and right tab options as needed, then save your changes. Enabling left and right determines where content panes can appear alongside your new tab, which is useful if your team prefers a split view to reduce scrolling. When you save, your layout updates are stored and ready for your users based on your account's visibility rules. That's it. You've organized your record layout with a new, clearly named tab and ensured it's properly enabled and saved. This simple structure helps your team find what they need faster and stay focused on the work that matters.